Welcome to Experts Tech. In this video, I'll explain to you how to bypass this PC must support secure boot in Windows 11. If you are just doubtful to make changes in your PC BIOS settings, then in this video I will show you some simple steps. With these steps, you can skip enabling secure boot on your computer or laptop and simply bypass the Windows 11 security requirements without any issue. We will use the Windows 10 ISO or DVD. Simply mount it on the PC and then copy the appraiser.dll from the sources directory to the sources directory of the bootable Windows 11 ISO USB device, or you can create a new folder Windows 11 and copy all the files from your Windows 11 ISO and paste it in newly created folder named Windows 11. This will bypass the security checks and the system requirements of Windows 11 installer. When I started upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11, I have got this PC cannot run Windows 11 and the error is this PC must support a secure boot error. So let's say this is my current Windows 10 version. Right click to mount your Windows 11 ISO file. Select all files, then right click and copy all files. Create a folder on your PC in the C, D or E. In my case, I have created a folder in F drive and named it Windows 11. Paste all the files into that folder. Now mount your Windows 10 ISO and then open the sources folder. Find appraisers.dll file and then copy it from the Windows 10 ISO sources folder. If you don't have Windows 10 ISO or DVD, then you can click on the given link in the description of this video to download the appraisers.dll file. Then go to your downloaded folder, extract the zip file and then copy it. Go back to your Windows 11 folder, the one we created in F drive, then open the source folder, right click and select paste from the context menu or Ctrl V keyboard shortcut to paste the files. If you have USB Windows 11 bootable media, then open the sources folder and paste appraisal.dll file. Select replace the files in the destination option and wait for it to complete. It's critical that you replace this file. Now go back to Windows 11 folder and then double click on setup.exe file. Windows 11 setup. Select the radio button and then click next. It's getting all the updates. Click on accept, getting updates again. Now Windows 11 is ready to upgrade. Click install. Windows 11 is installing. It will restart your PC. Windows 11 working on updates again. Enter your password to log in. Wait to complete the process. Finally, we have successfully upgraded Windows 10 to Windows 11. Open run command and enter WinVer to know about Windows 11. Now open Windows settings, select the activation option and you can see my Windows 11 is activated. Now we'll see how to enable secure boot from system BIOS. I have a HP 800ED desktop. Here's the guide how to enable secure boot in PC BIOS. Restart your PC or laptop and then press the key, for example F1, F2, Del or etc. In my case, I press escape button and then select F10. Select the security tab and then secure boot configuration. You might have a different option in your PC depending on the version of the BIOS. Here you can see secure boot option is disabled. By pressing the right arrow key, you can enable secure boot. Save changes and then restart your PC. You're done. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.